Here I have Lenovo Yoga laptop. If you're looking to replace the battery, in this video, I'll walk you through from start to finish. Let's identify the model here. Take a look at the back of the computer. This is a Lenovo Yoga 910. So if you have that same model as mine, let's get started. Hopefully, I can save you some money. And if the computer is not holding the charge, if your computer is more than 4 years old, more likely the battery is the cause of not turning on the computer, or maybe the trackpad is causing issues. And I'll explain to you once I take it apart and show it to you the internal battery. Here I'm using a Torque T5. This is a T5 screwdriver. This computer runs on a Torque screws, so let's go ahead and remove all of them. 4 at the bottom. There are 2 in the middle and 4 at the top. All right, so once all the screws are removed, go ahead and open up the back cover. Here you can see the entire battery is covered underneath the trackpad. If your trackpad is not clickable or having hard time, more likely because of the battery is swollen, therefore it pushes the clicker and the trackpad in the back. I'll be using a Phillips screwdriver to go ahead and remove that screw right here. And it needs to use a smaller Phillips. So this is my smaller Phillips. I think this is, what is it? What size is this? This is a Phillips PH00. We need to expose the connector by removing the tape. This is a yellow tape. Put that on the side. And you can see that the connector is right here. And that connector is pretty much a snap onto it, meaning that you can remove by lifting it up, just like such. That's how the connector get removed. You snap onto it and just remove by pushing it, lifting it straight up. And the entire battery will just come right off. Now you can feel, I can feel it, but I'm not sure if you guys can see it. The battery here on the top left corner is slightly lumpy and it's hard, meaning that the thing is swollen. And here I wanted to share with you if your trackpad is not clickable because the battery may have swollen and it pushes the clicker and the back of the trackpad. All right. That's pretty much it. Very easy to remove the battery. All you have to do is get the model number here, which is the L15M4P23. What I'll do is I'll link it down in the description below where you can buy it from either Amazon or eBay. Get the same replacement battery, put it back on, simple as that, and reconnect the connector by gently push it back in. Like such. And all the screws, covered it up, and that should be it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye now.